Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue on with the bumper, but first up, let's go for a drive in the Foz. Alright, let's get my little suction cup out. Yoink! Get in the Foz. Alright guys, we are in the Foz. Just going to head off to training, but on the way, I'm going to pick up some more paint. Got some more paint, go to training, and then we'll head home. Right, I am back. Forgot to get the adapter for the tripod. It's in the Forester. We'll go get that. What do you guys think if I disconnect the rear muffler? This would be perfect. Put a cutout, like from there to there. Boop, boop. Squirt that and maybe make it a leak. See what it sounds like. I know they sound awful with the resonator out, but trumpet gang. Hi guys, might not be able to see it, but very light coat on here. It's been sitting for 36 hours. I'm going to give it a light sand, a couple little drips, and then I'll give it another coat. More sanding, guys. I just freaked out because there was flakes. That's what I was looking at on my hand, wondering where it was from. It's actually from the horse. There's water sitting there when I was spraying. Whew! Alright, gonna give it a wash, wipe down, and then we'll put another coat. And once that is done, I'm gonna put it back on the car. Alright guys, so it's not the warmest day today, not the best day for painting, but it's not the coldest day, it's coming up. So, we'll dry this off, I'm going to wipe it, just heat it up a little bit with the heat gun with a bit of distance so I don't melt the paint that I put on, which I've done before. I'm going to clean it with wax and grease remover, bring the garage door down, and just going to do exactly what I did last time. and just put a couple of coats. But once that's dry, it's going to go back on the car for a week or so. Because I'm going to have to do exactly the same as what I'm doing right now. I'm going to sand it down so it's smooth. And then we'll start putting colour on. How's that sound, boys? Good? Let's do it. Alright guys, time to paint. Gonna chuck my respirator on. We'll get painting. This episode. I hope you liked it. A little bit of Foz, a little bit of Skyline stuff. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I will catch you next episode. Bye.